Welcome back. In today's video we will work on the baby booties. We will make baby booties from the leftover yarn. We made a baby cardigan in the newborn size, and we made these baby booties to match with them. You can give it as a gift and make it as a set. So that's how they look like. They are made from the bottom. We work on the sole, then work all the way on the top, and then we made cuffs. You can make it for a girl and for a boy. Let's start working on them. These are for a newborn to 3-month-old. If you want to make one size larger, you can use a bigger hook size, and you can definitely make it. So let's start working. Materials that we will use for this is the leftover yarn from our cardigan, 4mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and pair of scissors. Let's start working. We will start by making our slip knot. Then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once you have 10 chains, then we will make half double crochets. We need to make one half double crochet in the second chain from hook. We count from hook first, second. In the second chain, we need to make one half double crochet. Half double crochet is complete. Now we need to make one half double crochet in the next 7 chains. So first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, and 7. After completing 7 half double crochets, and if we count the first one, we will have total 8. We have 1 stitch remaining. In that stitch we need to make 5 half double crochets. In the same stitch, 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, we are making 5 half double crochet in the last chain. 3, 4, and 5. Now we will work on the other side of the chain, opposite side, and we need to make one half double crochet in the next 7 stitches. This is the first one. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we need to make 2 half double crochets in the last space. This is the last space. In that we will make 2 half double crochets. After that we need to make a slip stitch on the top of the first stitch to join. Our first round is complete. Now we'll start second round. Make one chain and 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. That's the first stitch. In that we will make 2 half double crochets. Now we will make half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1 half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have the 5 half double crochets that we have done earlier, so in that we will make 2 half double crochet in each of them. One, two, three, four, 5. We're complete. Now we will make half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1 half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 half double crochet done. Now we have to do 2 half double crochets in the last 3 stitches. In the last 3 stitches we are doing 2 half double crochets. Now we will do slip stitch to join on top of first stitch. Just like that. With that we have completed our sole. Now we have to work on the side of the booties. Make chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet in all the stitches across in the back loop only. We'll start working from the first stitch, and can you see there are 2 loops of a stitch, front loop and back loop. We will only work in the back loop. This is the back loop, so we'll put it and make a half double crochet. This baby booties come as a set with a baby cardigan. You can find that in my channel, and I'll add a card on the top of it. You can make it. We will keep working 1 half double crochet in the back loop all around, and when we are done we will make a slip stitch on the first stitch and join the round. I am done with making my half double crochets in the back loop only. Now I will make a slip stitch on the top of the first stitch and join the round. And start working on our second round of the sole. This is 4th round in total. Chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet in all stitches across. Simply make 1 half double crochet in each stitch, and when we are done with the round we will make a slip stitch on the top of the first stitch and join. In this row we will work in the both loops, not only for rag loop. As in the previous row, we were in the previous round we work in the back loops only, and in this round we will work in the both loops and make one double crochet in each stitch. When you are done, at the end join on the top of first stitch by making a slip stitch. After completing the 4 rounds, we will start shaping up the toe, and let's start the round. Chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet in the first 10 stitches. After 10 stitches, we have to make 2 half double crochets together for next 12 stitches. So there should be total 6 half double crochets together. So let's make it. Wrap the yarn on the hook, go in the first stitch, bring a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over the hook again, go in the next stitch, bring a loop. We have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 5 loops. That's how I'm going to make 2 half double crochets together. So I need to make total 6 of them. One is done. Let's mix the next one. Yarn over the hook, go in the next stitch, yarn over, pull the loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, go in the next stitch, yarn over, pull the loop. We have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. Again, third time, three loops on the hook, yarn over, go in the next stitch, yarn over, pull a loop. We have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. We have 3 done. Now 2 more. So 3 more. We have to do total 6. One, two, three, 4. Five, and this will be the 6th one. This will start shaping up our toe. Now we will make 1 half double crochet in the remaining stitches. It should be 10. When you're done, make a slip stitch on the top of first stitch and join. Now we will make 1 more round of decreasing, and for that we will use single crochet. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the next 9 stitches. First single crochet, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we have to make single crochet together 4 time single crochet 2 together. Just like we did half double crochet, in the same time we will do single crochet decreases. So go in the first stitch, bring a loop, go in the next stitch, bring a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. The first one, second, third, and the final fourth one. Now make 1 single crochet in the remaining stitches. Join on the top of first stitch by making a slip stitch. If you are making for a girl, you can keep it like this as well. Just add a flap to close, and you can use a ribbon as well for tie, but let's continue turn it into boot. You can, if you turn into a boot, then you can use it for girl and boy both. So now make 2 chains, and then we need to make half double crochet in every stitch. Keep making 1 half double crochet in each stitch, and when you're done, join on the top of first half double crochet by making a slip stitch. We are almost done with the first round, and when we are done, we will make a slip stitch on the top of the chain on the first stitch and join. Here my round is complete. I'll make a slip stitch on the top of first single crochet and join, and repeat this round 2 more times. Repeat this round 2 more times, and after that our booty is ready. In the same way, make the other one. This was a quick and easy. That's it. If you have any question or confusion, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and do let me know how did you find the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Until then, have a nice time.